Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a bit of a demonstration and a test. And what we're going to do is take a look at our workplace. Well, workplace is not there, so we'll go to places. And in a moment, we should get workplaces here, home folder. Please load. That's a little slower. Okay, there it is. And workspace is right here. And Google App Engine, that's the new one. And KA, go ahead and delete this whole thing because it's old already. Move to trash. I know it's old because I checked the Khan Academy. It's up to 1145. I downloaded at 1135, I believe. So they're very busy updating the code. So let's see if we can get it to work. Let's go get the checkout. And I love this part. This is SVN at its finest. We Control C that. And let's see if we can open terminal. We do. Right click, open in terminal. And Control Shift V. It's already started. And in a moment, it'll download everything. So let's Control Shift T. And while we do that, we'll pull up the command we need right here. I think that'll be the one we want. It's almost done. The last time I did this, though, I ran into a bug. I'm not sure if it's a I'm not sure if it was a bug in Google Academy, in Google App Engine, or if it's an error in Khan Academy. I don't know if I posted it here or not. No. I posted it as a question on the Google group, which is right here. When it loads, finishes loading, there it is. Khan Academy developers. Let's see if it's almost done here. Not quite. Alright, so it's still loading. It's a little slow right now. Don't know why. We had, I had problems with Python. The Python compatibility. No, that's not it. Let's see if I can pull it up. Oh, look at that. Error on server. We'll refresh. And we'll see if we're almost done with our download. It's moving along pretty fast. Close that. Yeah, Thunderbird died again. Close the terminal. And see if our page loaded. Not yet. Alright. Here's the error I got at the last time I tried to load it. Actually 4612 Google App Engine. There it is. That's the bug I posted at Google App Engine. Not sure if that's a problem with me or a problem with Khan Academy code. Still not working. And this is chunking away. Hopefully it will be done soon so that we can run the next test, which is the Google App Engine run. Google App Engine is actually pretty darn cool. In fact, why don't we try that while we're here? ls cd cd Google App Engine ls cd Google ls, and let's run the history command. There it is. *2 or bang 2418 should load Hello World. Very simple application. Oh, look at that. Didn't work. Why didn't it work? Python dev app server. Am I not in the right yes, I'm in the right place. So Python dev app server. Oh, look at that. Hello world is not there. That's curious. Alright, so demos. Oh, that's not working. Well, I'm a little surprised. Hello world is not there. Where'd it go? Hmm. Well, the Hello World demonstration app is gone. I'm a little mystified because I did use it yesterday. Okay, well, let's see if Khan Academy is done. So let's Control Shift V. No, don't want that. We'll try our Google App Engine here. Actually, you know what? History, grep, dev, star. There it is. Okay, so we'll do bang 2419. Is that gonna work? Let's see. Okay, running localhost. It is working. So let's copy that. And I'm not getting a stack of errors, so that's positive. At least that's encouraging. And let's load it. Yeah, okay, there's the errors. So I'm wondering if it's because of this, the crypto-util python compat import. Don't know, but if you do know, I'd appreciate your help in this. Thank you for your time, and happy computing.